Today we're going to show you how to replace the screen on a HP Pavilion G6 laptop for laptopscreen.com. First step, always make sure it's unplugged and go ahead and remove the battery as well. Now that we got the battery removed, we have to remove the screen bezel. And the first step to doing that is to remove the adhesive screw covers, and there's one right here and on the exact same spot on the other side of the laptop. I'm using an X-Acto knife to do that. Just want to gently get in behind there and peel it off, and set that aside. Do the same thing on the other side. Then we take a Phillips head screwdriver. You're going to use the Phillips for all the screws for the replacement job. Okay, the next step after removing the screws is to remove the screen bezel. The easiest way to do that is to just take your fingers and gently peel up. And you'll hear it pop like that. Again, just gently go around the entire bezel. Don't want to force it. Alright, so now that we got the bezel removed, the next step is to unscrew the screen itself. Now there's a screw right here and right here, and the same on the other side of the laptop. And that's all you technically have to remove. They're kind of a pain to get to because of the black plastic here kind of blocks them. So what the easiest thing to do is remove the screw up top first. And that allows you to gently pry the screen up. So first I'm going to take the top one off. Again, just gently pull the screen out. Set those screws aside. They're different size than the other ones, so make sure you keep everything organized. And for the bottom one, again, you want to gently pull the screen out. And use your Phillips head to get the screw off. And repeat the exact same process for the other side. Next, we need to remove the actual screen itself. Don't just pull it off, because the video cable is actually connected with adhesive to the screen. So if you pull this out, sorry about the bad lighting, but you can see this cable right here. It's actually stuck to the screen itself with adhesive. So you just want to gently pop it off, and there you go. Now it's still actually connected. We got to disconnect the video cable from the screen itself. Now would be a good time to mention that for the HP G6 there are actually a couple different screens, so you need to make sure you're ordering the correct one. Some of them have the ZIF connection right here, as this model does, and the other one, I believe it's over here. On laptopscreen.com, if you look at the pictures of the different ones, it clearly shows which side the connection is on. So if you don't know exactly which model to order, you may want to go ahead and remove your screen and check it out on the back side to make sure. Now we need to remove the actual video cable from the screen. The adhesive will also be stuck down here and maybe in here. I've already removed this screen before, so it wasn't like it will be maybe when you open yours up. But anyway, this is the video cable connection. It's a ZIF, zero insertion force connection. There's a little piece of tape looks like Scotch tape stuck to the screen. You just want to gently pull that up, and then the silver here may be stuck as well with adhesive, so just gently peel it up. Okay, and as you may know, the zero insertion force connections usually just slide right in, so it's the same with this. You're going to pull it back straight out towards the back of the laptop and it pops right out. And so now the screen is completely removed. Okay, I've got the new screen out, laid down. First step is to insert the video cable to the new screen. So again, it's the zero insertion force. So you just slide it in and make sure it sits flush. You can see if there's a gap at all. Make sure it's flush so you got a good solid connection. And then go ahead and press down on the adhesive tape so it's stuck in place good. Go ahead and lift the screen back into place, being careful that the video cable stays under it there and stays stuck to it in that spot. And then remember, we need to reapply the adhesive on the top of the video cable. Also, should be noted that that cable connects to the webcam as well, so make sure you don't pull on it and that it doesn't come disconnected from the webcam up top. And now we're gonna screw it back in same way we removed it. So remember, we just gently lift it up just enough where you can get to the screw easily. I'm going to go ahead and screw in the other two bottom pieces before reconnecting the top piece. Okay, now that I got the screws on both sides reconnected, I'm going to go ahead and screw in the top screws. Okay, now that that's done, we gotta reattach the screen bezel. So first I'm gonna peel the tape back. That's the tape holding on the protective covering for the new screen. Just gonna go ahead and peel it and go ahead and remove that. So you pop it back in, just basically the same way you removed it. Set it on there. Gently work your way around. You'll hear it pop into place. Bottom can be a bit tricky. It's easiest if you straighten the screen up just a hair. Last step is to plug the laptop in or put the battery back in, turn it on, and make sure everything works. So as you can see right away, we're greeted with the HP welcome screen and now the Windows starting welcome screen. So we're good to go.